What's up, Blue Chips? 3 total trades today, 1 on MGM at the bell and 2 on CPRI. Let's get to it. All right, traders, so starting here on MGM, this thing gave us a nice little pop right at the bell, moving along with the SPY. We got over those pre-market highs, and it started to extend. We got through that 50 area. We were looking for more of a push up there towards 16, but it just kept getting shut down. So we jumped in, trying to get in over 50. We actually ended up at 58 there, 1558. And we were just looking for that breakdown through 50 and getting that continuation down. As you can see, not only did we get that, but we also could have gotten a lot more. But hey, the new strategy, just looking for a one-to-one. Hey, we'll take it. So this one, obviously, as you guys can go check out at the end of the live stream this morning, we would have gotten 2-to-1. We've been keeping track of all of our trades here. We are doing 1-to-1 as of right now, but we're keeping track to see which ones would have worked for 2-to-1. So the risk or the take profit area would still be the same on all of these trades. It's just our risk would be cut in half. So as you can see, it clearly would have worked here. And as always, if you guys want to see any of the live trades, feel free to go check those out. As you'll see right up here somewhere, yep, right up there, there's a link to the video. I'll have the timestamps in the description. So CPRI was our second trade. As you can see, we had the move through previous resistance here of 1350. We actually really liked our entry here. We got in at 1381. We had 30 cents. We were risking 30 cents to make 30 cents. And in this case, that put us right there at $14. And if we go over to the 60-minute chart real quick, you'll see that there was some really nice resistance right there at 14.10. So I was pretty happy getting into the trade where we did. And we were also front running that $0.50 previous resistance by, a cent or two or whatever. So as you can see, we were clearly wrong. We were clearly early in this one as it didn't even attempt to get back down to that area. We took the stop out there at 14.11. Well, it gave us 14.12. We got 1 cent slippage. We let it continue the move. We were actually looking to get back in this thing on the front side if it wanted to pop through 14.50 on this move, but as you can see, it did not. It started forming a descending triangle. We were about to give up on this because I thought it was going to break 14 a little bit prematurely, but it did give us that pop. And once we felt the top there on the pop, we got in, and this thing immediately gave us some resolution down here below 14. We hit the DT, so we were risking $10 there. Up at the top, we got 14.18, risking off of the high of day, which was at 14.41. So 14.42 was the stop, and we ended up getting pretty much all of our position out here at 13.92. We took 31 of the 41 shares, and then we ended up scaling out the last 10 shares down here right above that previous resistance. And as you can see, it looked to bounce there, and we were right at the time. It did try to get back up there and start going back up to over 14, but as you can see, now it's ultimately coming back down under those levels. So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Always appreciate that support. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. And again, if you want to check out the live stream, go check that out this morning to see any of the trades live. Timestamps will be in the description, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.